Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the Digital Escape video podcast. Now, if we wanted to look up some niches, let's see if I can share my screen here. We'll do share screen. Just a quick disclaimer here. If someone replies to your comments talking about WhatsApp, or let's talk about this new and shiny get-rich scheme down in the comments, please know that it's a scam. I don't have WhatsApp, I don't have Telegram, and I will not DM you on Instagram about stocks, crypto trading, or any other things that may be asking you for money. I will never DM you on Instagram at all unless you talk to me first. Don't be scammed. I've had some good friends lose a lot of money because people impersonate me, steal my content, and pitch something weird. Many times even to my own family members. So just stay safe and report them all. Please be careful. We'll just put in some golf niche right here. Golf niches. Or golf affiliate programs. Let's do that. This is literally what I would do if I was starting a golf channel. The first one, I've looked at it before. So we open up these tabs and you can see like people have already come up with lists. Like they tell you, how much commission percentage you can get. You can check out the website, like 6% commissions are here, 6%. So let's see if we can find a digital product. So here it is. I bet this one right here is pretty good. Swingman affiliate program. Add 30 to 40 yards in 30 days with our expertise in long drive and industry pioneering golf fitness. So just from a swift look at this is probably what I would promote front end, and then add all of these different offers within the email sequence later, if they're valuable, right? If they add value. So I'd probably just go to Swingman affiliate program, and I would click on that and just apply. You can just apply, and you can put in your URL of your TikTok channel, your Instagram, whatever. This is really cool. They have two programs. One's $49 a month, so it's a monthly reoccurring, and then the other one is a speed trainer certification program, which is pretty cool. And it's 20% of $588. So this is probably what I would actually promote if I was to do that. Now another thing is there content to model? 100% there's content to model for this. You would just have to literally go on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and start putting in keywords like golfing, how to improve your golf swing. And then you can start making a list of 10 to 20 people that you want to follow to start getting content ideas. Not only that, you can just go to Google and put in questions about golfing, how to improve golfing, and it will give you a bunch of questions that people are asking. And that's what you create content about. You don't create content about whatever you want. That's just not being smart. What you want to do is create content that helps people, that people are actually asking about, that helps them, motivates them, entertains them, or gives them value, so that they'll want to follow you and see what you're all about. No one will want to follow you if you're always just talking about you. You need to give value. And so for this golfing program, I would learn a little bit if you don't know about the industry, but I would research like what are other people talking about, what can improve their swings, what can improve their time and learning, and that's what I would talk about. Okay. So can you give away a lead magnet? If you don't know what a lead magnet is, it's basically just some kind of thing to give away. So you could easily make an ebook on Canva about how to improve your golf swing and give that away, like top 10 tips to improve your golf swing, and make that an ebook. You could give that away in exchange for someone's email. And that way now, once you have the email, you can build a relationship with them and shoot them off an email, every other day, giving them more tips, and I always go by the Gary Vee method, where it's hook, or let's see, jab, 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 right hook, where you're just value, and then say, hey, I found these really cool golf clubs on Amazon.com. Why don't you check them out? They really help me out. More value. Hey, have you ever checked out the Swingman Golf program? You can get a complete certification. It's really cool. I think it might help you out. And over time, you just build a relationship of know, like, and trust. It's really not that hard. And I think a lot of it is just deciding on a niche. So this is hitting a lot of the criteria right here. Can you give away a lead magnet? Yes, you can. Can you offer up follow-up emails? Yes, you can. Like you said, it doesn't always have to be products or tips either. You can just say, hey, I found this really cool video on YouTube. I think it might motivate you. And it can be someone else's content. This is just about building relationships, building value, so that someone can see, hey, you're a person. Someone could see, dang, this person understands me. Can you build a community around golf? I truly think you can. Like if you like a community can be in many different ways online. You can have a TikTok community, Instagram community, but I truly think if you want to have a real community, you need to have like a Facebook group or a YouTube channel where they can be nurtured. And more than anything, I guess the email list is when you get their email. But if you want to build that community, a Facebook group is really great, where you could create your own Facebook group. Like in order to get maybe your ebook, they give you your email, and then to get it, it's inside of your Facebook group. That's a great way to build your community. And that way people can ask questions, and it actually really helps you too, because maybe people are asking questions that you can create value about. You can become the go-to resource for people to get information in that specific niche. Crazy, really cool. So can you build a community? Yes. Can you create your own product around it? I think after you become an affiliate for a long time, and this is why Jamar and I always talk about being an affiliate first, because you don't have to create your own product, you don't have to do the support. All you have to do is create content and build your audience. But if you're doing this for a long time, of course you could model, different educational programs and things like that to make your own product. I think it would be kind of difficult, but that's coming from me, who doesn't know anything about golf. And so, yeah, I think that eventually you could come up with a program. So as far as can this be a business? Can this be an affiliate marketing business? Is this niche profitable? I'm going to go ahead and say, 7 out of 10. Like in my own experience, I haven't seen too many people do it. So it might be an untapped market, but I do think there's money. I think there's demographic for it. I think there's some affiliate programs. And again, we just found some in just 2 minutes. But I also think that, this is something that people want to increase and improve on. They're willing to pay for. Okay. So now we're going to move into another section. What are some other side hustles that you can do? So obviously Jamar and I are always going to push affiliate marketing. That's the best side hustle. And the reason why it's the best side hustle is because you're learning so many freaking things within it. So if you become an affiliate, you learn how to set up a funnel, which you can do with our product. We have a funnel builder, and you can get a free trial to it. We have email automations where we have templates, and you can literally just plug and play your links in there, and you can start promoting your products. So you start to learn how to create a funnel. You start to learn how to set up email automations. You start to learn just all these phenomenal skills. And guess what? Every single one of those skills now becomes profitable to you. And the biggest skills that you learn, because if you want to be a true born and blood affiliate, all you really have to do is set up an opt-in page. And if you don't know what an opt-in page is, it's just when someone clicks the link, it just says, hey, get this thing, put in your email. That's an opt-in page or a landing page. They're just landing on it and exchanging something for their email. And then you have a second page called a bridge page, which is basically, if I was going to promote this golfing course, I would say, hey guys, what's going on? Logan here. I'm not the best golfer in the world, and that's exactly why I took this course. It's really helped me out. I recommend it to you. If you're a novice, if you're wanting to get to the next level, I think it's worth a look. And so click the button down below and you'll check it out. When they click that button, they become linked to you or cookied to you is the word. When they're cookied to you, it kind of shows and tracks on their computer that they got to that product from you. And so if they purchase anything, you get paid.